In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix a problem that you have no picture but sound here on your Philips TV. Okay, for the first what you can check is if we have like a radio/TV button here on the remote. Sometimes we have like switch to radio and there we don't have a picture. So what we can do is that we also try to go here on the remote and then it switch automatically to TV program. So, but what we also can try to do is that we go here on the source or input button and here we can select also like cable, satellite, so like TV, or if we have like radio. So and here make sure that you selected the right input here. So this is really important. Okay. And after we have checked this, what you also can try to do is that we like press a button or something, or press the OK button on the TV, because sometimes we can easily activate the setting that the picture turns off. And what we can do to turn this setting off is that we here press on the OK button and then the picture starts again. Okay, and if this doesn't work, what we also can try to do is that we fully unplug the TV. So unplug the power cable of the TV, then wait like 2 minutes and then plug it in again. This is only to fully reset your TV, and sometimes then the error is fixed. What we also can try to do is that we unplug every single device we have plugged in the TV. So if we have like plugged in here different things in the back of the TV, so like HDMI or USB, then we can easily go there and then we can easily unplug this. This is important because sometimes these devices can block like the picture or something. So this is really important that we go there and unplug everything. After that, also start your reset your TV, and then your problem should be fixed. Yeah, okay, if I could help you then with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you next time.